Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game version and making a quick backup of saves. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, close the game and any launchers so files aren't locked. Then, navigate to the Resource Pack folder, use the in-game option or open the Profiles folder path directly. If you use a mod manager, switch to its file view. Make sure you can see file extensions so you can identify. Zip or pack files before removal, because that determines the next step. Now that you're in the folder, disable the pack in-game first, uncheck it or move it out of the active list. This avoids missing textures on reload. Once disabled, delete the pack file or folder from the resource directory to fully remove it. If you're using a launcher or mod manager, remove the pack entry inside the manager and then clear its cache or temp files. This ensures stale assets don't persist. Make sure file permissions allow deletion. Otherwise, fix permissions before retrying. Finish by restarting the game and confirming default assets load correctly. Inspect textures and UI for anomalies. If you see missing or corrupted assets, restore the backup you made and then remove packs one at a time to isolate the problem. If removal fails, check file permissions and delete leftover cache or temp files. Also review the game's logs for specific errors. Finally, make sure launcher profiles point to the correct game folder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.